Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So welcome to my series of how to start an online hair care business. So right here is a little preview of what my website looks like, and stay tuned because in today's video I'll be teaching you all how to create a name, a logo, and I will also mention how to start an LLC. So the very first thing that we'll do to find a name that no one else has is to go to googledomains.com. So I actually want to encourage you right now to start thinking of a few names that you have in mind for your business. Like, I'm not sure what you want to sell, but for this case, it is an online hair care business that I'm teaching you about. So here are a couple of names that I came up with that kind of relate to natural hair or hair care in general. And another video in this series will be how to create your own website using Big Cartel. So you don't necessarily have to purchase your domain name now. This video is just so you can kind of like start researching names that you have thought of and see if anyone else has them. So as you see, lazynaturals.com is already taken, so we will definitely not be using that name. So I decided right here to be a little bit more creative, and I came up with natural crown bunnies. So as you see right here, it's definitely not taken, so natural crown bunnies will be our new business name. So after searching the domain name, now you want to make sure no one else has their Instagram name. So we see that no one has our name on Instagram, so our next step is to go to your Secretary of State's website to make sure no one has any legal rights to that name. I typed in my state, of course, which is Louisiana, but in this case, you will type your state in. And also for Louisiana, this is the same website that you will go to file your LLC. For other states, I'm not necessarily sure, but you should be able to find it on your Secretary of State's website. So I know it's kind of blurry here, but the first thing I did was go to business services, and then I pressed start a business. And now what you want to do is type your business name in just to make sure, again, that no one has legal rights to your business name. And if you haven't noticed, this is the second time that I typed in Crown Natural Beauty instead of Crown Natural Bunnies. I don't know why I want this business name to be Crown Natural Beauty so bad. 0 results, so that's perfectly fine, and now it's time for us to make our own logo. And guys, I did go back and type in Crown Natural Bunnies instead, and it also came up as 0 results, so we're good to go. If you're from Louisiana, I will link down below the video that helped me create my LLC, because to be honest, the guy in the video can explain it way better than I can. So the website that we'll be using to create our logo today is Canva.com. Canva has many templates for different things, but of course in today's video we're making a logo, so on the search board type in logo. So as you're scrolling through the templates, kind of find one that catches your eye. You'll see the one that caught my eye in just a few seconds. And before I even started scrolling, what's best to do is go ahead and find your color scheme on Google, and you'll see how I do that in just a few seconds as well. Finding a logo that catches your eye is your part of customization, as well as choosing your own color scheme, so you don't necessarily have to choose the same things that I'm choosing. This is just for reference. And so the only thing you do to find your color scheme in Google is type in color scheme codes, click images, and then it pops right up. Me personally, one thing you'll learn about me is I love earth tones, so that's kind of my color scheme for a lot of things. So it may take us a while to find our color scheme, but what we'll do after that is head back to Canva, choose a template, and then begin creating our logo. This video is kind of long, but I want to make sure that I'm teaching you guys in as much detail as possible. This would have been a great color scheme, but you want to make sure when you're choosing your color scheme that you're only choosing one with about 3 to 4 colors. And now that we have our color scheme, we can head right back over to Canva. So of course, I did just say I love earth tones, so this one right here is the one that caught my eye. So templates are only used basically as a layout to customize them yourself. So what we'll do right now is try to fit our business name in so that everything looks right. And this logo that we're creating today is only like a logo with words on it, but in the future you will eventually, and I'm speaking into existence, make enough money to pay someone else to draw you a logo like with a picture or animated cartoon or something like that. And as you've seen in the beginning of the video, my logo itself doesn't have any picture, so this is just something to start out with, or you could use it for long term. It's really up to you. So remember when I told you to find your own color scheme? This is where it will come into play. So all I did to get this box to pop up was to click the color that I wanted to change. So what you do to get a color off your color scheme into your project is simply copy and paste and then customize the colors to how you like them. It might take a while, so please be patient with yourself because this is something that you're putting out to the world, so you kind of want everything to look in sync and how you like it. And not just what you like, also consider your customer and what color you think will catch their eye and what do you think they will like. So for example, not only do I love earth tones, but most natural people or natural women or men, most of them use all natural products, which means like products that come from the earth such as essential oils, aloe vera, and those are to name a couple. So to add a little glam and a little character to our logo, there's about 4 boxes down. It says elements. You type in whatever picture that you may like to see. And the ones with the star by them are the ones that you have to purchase for Canva. But the ones that say free are of course free. I typed in crown, but you can type in whatever image that you would like to see on your logo. So now that I've zoomed in, I see that those are not stars, those are crowns as well. But you get what I'm saying? The ones that say free are of course free, and the ones with the crown around them are the ones that you have to pay for. So definitely continue to play around with the colors, the sizing, and the adjustments, how everything is aligned. Continue to play around with that, and I'm kind of just going to let you watch the rest of the video, and I'll chime back in whenever I feel like I need to. So to save your design to your computer, the only thing you have to do is press download, and it'll show you like a little preview of what it would look like. And to be honest, after seeing the preview, I noticed that you can barely see the word that I have at the bottom, which says collection, Natural Crown Bunny collection. So what I did was go back, and I believe I colored it brown so you can see it better. So I actually turned it white instead of brown, and this looks so good to me. Let me know what you guys think down below. So now that we have our logo made, our business name created, we know that no one else has our name, the next step we can do is create a website. And I'm not saying that there will be the next video in this series, because I have pre-recorded videos for this series, but it will definitely be one of them, so stay tuned. As always, don't forget to educate, encourage, and empower. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.
I'ma get mine today, I'm sure.